So welcome back again, students. Now we will discuss some important identities to be proved using the results of compound angles. Like this question number 4a, we have to prove that 1 minus tan A over 1 plus tan A equals to tan 45 degree minus A. So first of all, think about the relationship between this 1 and 45 degree. First write the left hand side as it is, and while you are writing, think about the relationship between this 1 and 45 degree. So we all know that tan 45 degree equals to 1. So in place of this 1, if we write tan 45 degree minus tan A over, now this is 1 plus, write this 1 into tan A. You know that 1 into tan A is also tan A. And why we are writing this? To change it into the form tan A minus tan B over 1 plus, in place of 1 we will again write tan 45 degree, not in place of this one, but in place of this one, into tan A. So it is now tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B, which is the formula for tan A minus B, which is RHS, hence proved. Similarly, we can solve question number B also. In this, if you change it first to 10, this is cot 45 degree minus A into cot 45 degree plus A in the LHS, and we have to prove it to be equal to 1. So start with LHS, change it to 1 upon 10 45 degree minus A into 1 upon 10 45 degree plus A. Use formula of tan A minus B at the denominator. So tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A into tan B into 1 upon, this is tan A plus B again. So tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now, if we use the value of tan 45 degree as 1, it is 1 minus tan A over 1 plus tan A into, in this side also, 1 plus tan A over 1 minus tan A. So this 1 minus tan A will be cancelled out from this 1 minus tan A. And 1 plus tan A will be cancelled out from this 1 plus tan A. Finally, the answer is 1 only. Similarly, you can solve C also. So look at this. It is cos 8 degree plus sin 8 degree over cos 8 degree minus sin 8 degree. And we have to prove that it is equal to cot 37 degree. I am writing it if you are not able to look at this properly. Cos 8 degree plus sin 8 degree over cos 8 degree minus sin 8 degree plus 2. We have to prove that it is equal to cot 37 degree. Look at the question. Cos 8 degree plus sin 8 degree over cos 8 degree plus minus sin 8 degree equals to cot 37 degree. Okay. So we will again start with LHS. In all these types of question, remember, what we should do, we divide the numerator and denominator both by cos 8 degree. Numerator is cos 8 degree plus sin 8 degree. So divided by cos 8 degree. At the same time, divide the denominator cos 8 degree minus sin 8 degree also with the cos 8 degree. Now split these fractions. So it becomes cos 8 degree over cos 8 degree plus sin 8 degree over cos 8 degree. At the same time, in the denominator, we write cos 8 degree over cos 8 degree minus sin 8 degree over cos 8 degree. So it is equal to then cos 8 upon cos 8 1 plus sin 8 upon cos 8 tan 8 degree over cos 8 upon cos 8 minus 1 minus sin 8 upon cos 8 tan 8 degree. Now we will use the procedure which we have used in first part. In place of 1 we write tan 45 degree plus tan 8 degree over 1 minus 1 into tan 8 degree. We know that tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan into tan B equals to tan A plus B, which is equal to tan 53 degree. So change it to 90 degree minus 37 degree. So finally it becomes cot 37 degree, which is the right hand side which we have to do. Similarly, you can solve the other questions also if you apply the mind. If you apply the brain, look at this. Root 3 into tan 170 degree minus tan 140 degree equals to, we have to prove 1 plus tan 170 degree and 10 to tan 140 degree. In these types of questions, first write it. Root 3 tan, this is the last question of the root 3 into, we have to prove tan 170 degree minus tan 140 degree equals to 1 plus tan 170 degree into tan 140 degree. So this time we are not going to solve it by using left hand side and right hand side method. So what will we do now? In all the questions which are involved with tan, remember the difference between 170 degree and 140 degree is 30 degree. So first we write tan 30 degree equals to tan 170 degree minus 140 degree. As we know that 30 degree equals to, this is the solution. We all know that 30 degree equals to 170 degree minus 140 degree. So if we take tan both sides, value of tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 equals to tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A into tan B, then cross multiply. So root 3 into tan 170 minus tan for 140 degree. Cross multiplying. Equals to 1 into this. So 1 plus tan 170 degree into tan 140 degree. Hence Good. So now you have to solve this assignment, which you can look in this screen, and continue to watch the videos, continue to attend the classes to learn for the solution of next questions. I think if you look the video properly, you will be able to solve all the questions of the sheet. So continue to watch and continue to solve the problems.